Hi, I'm Johannes of newgadgets.de, and in this video we're going to have a look at the new DJI Mavic Air that was just introduced last week. The Mavic Air is the latest drone from DJI, and it is for all the people that are traveling a lot because this drone is pretty small. In this video we're going to have a look at it and we will also fly it. So let's roll the intro and start. Just like the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Air is foldable. The Mavic Pro was already a revolution in the drone market because it was much smaller than other drones, but the Mavic Air is even smaller, so it is 16.8 by 18.4 by 6.4 centimeters. That is really small and just weighs 430 grams. So this is the perfect drone to just put it in your backpack and travel. But it's not only small, it can take videos in up to 4K and it has all the sensors for your safety. You can control the Mavic Air by gestures without the remote, which is pretty cool. And as you can see, the gestures will be recognized fast and really nicely. The drone will also follow you, and you can also make a gesture so it will take a selfie of you. The many sensors will help the drone to fly around obstacles. So in this example, we use a table, and with the remote we just let it fly straight, and as you can see it will fly around the table and will go back to its original path. With the 2375 mAh battery it can fly up to 21 minutes, and the battery just weighs 140 grams, so it's not too heavy and you can just have some spare batteries in your backpack. The camera has a 3-axis gimbal and a field of view of 85 degrees. It can shoot videos up to 4K and 30 FPS with a bitrate of 100 megabits per second. Full HD and 720p videos will be taken with 120 FPS and pictures taken with 12 megapixels. And as you can see over here in a sample video, the video footage of the Mavic Air looks pretty good, and I really want to take it and just travel with it. There are two cool new modes, so the asteroid mode that will start on a little planet and will zoom in to your target, and also the boomerang mode that will fly around 360 degrees from you and take a really great shot. The maximum speed is almost 70 kilometers per hour, which is pretty cool, and the drone has of course a lot of specs, so down in the video description there's a link to my website and you find all the details there. Also there will be more pictures with the drone and also pictures in comparison with the Mavic Pro and the Spark. And although the remote looks like the one from the Mavic Pro, it is a bit different. So the joysticks, you can just screw them off, so the remote will also be easier to carry around, and you can also slide in thicker smartphones now. The Mavic Air will come in the colors black, white and red. In my opinion, the red one looks pretty cool. And in Germany, it will cost 849 euro. That's the Mavic Air, the remote and some other accessories. But I would prefer the Fly More combo for 1049 euro. So instead of one battery, you get 3 batteries. You get a bigger battery charger for up to 4 batteries, and also the travel bag, as you can see in the video. So I think that's a good deal. And over here you can see the compact drone lineup from DJI, the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Air and the small Spark. And if you have any questions about the Mavic Air, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.